So celebrities were engaging. Converse commented, I think it's at 7 million views. I think 1.7 million views, because some of y'all's videos be looking, Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Millie. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Don't be a stranger. Today's video, we're going to be talking about how to go viral and how to build a following with the viral moment. Not just how to go viral, but how to build a following with the viral moment. I have a TikTok page that has over 289,000 followers. I will put the page on here. And so yeah, I have over 289,000 followers, and we're bringing in like millions of views each month. And I feel like it's a successful page. And so I'm going to be sharing the tips on how I built that page and the steps I took. TikTok, I feel, is one of the easiest pages or platforms to go viral and build a following. If you're looking for the easiest place to go viral, TikTok is the place. I started my TikTok page maybe 3 years ago or so, and I was posting, not very consistent. I was posting random stuff. Sometimes I'll do a lip sync video, sometimes I'll do a dance. And so the first sort of viral moments I had was a video that I was wearing different outfits and I was using Beyonce sound. So sounds work. Using trending sounds work. But that's not the only thing that can make you go viral, because what worked for my channel wasn't that. So the Beyonce sound was good. Now it's at 200,000 views, and I got 3,000 followers from that view, which is good, And so that was the video I got my first 1,000 followers from. But after that video, I didn't really do much of the same type of video. I was just still posting random videos, not very consistent. Maybe once a week I'll post something. And so my following wasn't growing. What really worked for my channel was a year ago or so. I posted a video of my daughter being funny. So I have a teenager, and so I posted a video of my teenager. We were both, my voice was in the video, but the video was on her, and we were talking back and forth. Every day she's a new character, and I thought she was funny and people would like to see it. And so I filmed it. I posted the video. That video right now, I think it's at 7 million views. A lot of people were engaging, celebrities were engaging, Converse commented. This was a big deal for me. And so I'm like, oh my God, we went viral. This is what it feels like to go viral. So yeah, it was exciting. And so once we went viral, one thing I did was I did not stop. I still posted more videos with that viral moment surrounding that. So that same emo topic, because her characters were developing, we were posting more, we were still getting lots of views, and our page was growing. So the first viral video, it got us about 50,000 or 40,000 followers, and we were still posting, and we got to 50,000. We were engaging. If I post a video and I get comments, I'm not a celebrity, okay? I will comment back. If you go on my TikTok page, if we're getting like 3,000 comments on one video, I can't keep up. But if we have like 50 comments or something, so usually the first 50 comments, I'm engaging. And so I comment back, or whichever comment I can catch, I will comment back. And so I was engaging. I still engage to this day. One thing that you can do to help with your TikTok page, first of all, you gotta post. Some people are watching this video right now, and they've probably watched 10 other videos already, but they have like 10 videos on their TikTok page. That's not gonna cut it. That's a one day posts that you've done. 10 videos on your page and you wanna go viral? No, you're not Beyonce. You're not Sophia Richie. You're not gonna post one little dance video and go viral with it. It doesn't work like that. So if you want to go viral, what we do, or what we did back in the day when we started going viral, we were posting at least 3 videos per day. So you need to commit to at least 3 videos per day. And you probably be saying, whoa, I can't even post one, and now you're saying 3. You can use sounds on TikTok. You can use sounds on TikTok. People use sounds and get 2 million views. People use sounds and get 10 million views. It all depends on the context of that video, what you're doing in the video with that sound. Or you can just be sitting there, the sound is playing, and what you've written on there, maybe people will find it funny or relatable. And that's something that you can do. And so TikTok is one of the laziest platforms that you can create content. You can literally just sit there, 1 minute video, or even a 10 seconds video, and you use someone else's sound, or you can do lip sync and go viral. You can do 10 videos a day. That's how easy it is. So commit to at least 3 videos a day. Do not skip. Do not skip. If you don't have time in the day, batch film and put it in your draft, TikTok draft. Edit, put in your draft, and when you're ready to post, you click post, and that's it. If you want to learn how to put videos in draft, there are a lot of videos on here. If you want me to show you how to do it, I'll show you too. But there are a lot of videos on here that will show you how to edit and leave your video in draft, and then when you're ready to post it, you go in and post it. So post a lot. That's one thing you need to do. Consistency is key. The next thing that you are also going to be doing is you need to engage. You have to engage. If you're not engaging on your videos, someone will comment and you will like it. That's okay, but write something out. At least for when you're starting out, write something. I truly appreciate you. At least 3 words or something like that. I truly appreciate you, and then you put emojis. Well, I'm glad you found it funny. Be creative with it. Just post anything. Write anything, And so that's one thing you can also do. The next thing that you can do is make sure your video quality is great. When I say make sure your video quality is great, I use an iPhone to film. When I started, I was using iPhone 12, and that's what we use to go viral. Right now, my videos, I'm using iPhone 14 Pro Max. I'm not using any special camera. If you're using a Samsung, use your Samsung. Make sure you clean the lenses, because some of y'all's videos be looking, Anyway, make sure you clean the lens, and make sure there's enough lighting so that we can see what you're posting. Because what TikTok does is TikTok actually, and I've had this happen to me before, TikTok will shadow ban your video because the quality is not good enough. And they will tell you, it's told me before, I deleted that video so I wouldn't be able to share that. And so they won't push it to a lot of people. They actually said this video does not have good quality. TikTok told me that. I'm not sure if anyone has had that before, but I've had it. The quality wasn't great enough. And so they weren't pushing it. So make sure the quality is good. And when I say quality, make sure the lighting, we're able to see you clearly, and the sound, if you're using your own voice, make sure we're able to hear you. You sound clear enough. So yeah, that's another tip that you can use. And use your viral moment. Yeah, let me get back on that. Use your viral moments to create more content. I have another TikTok page that has 700 followers, but I have 2 viral moments on there. I have one video that has, I think, 1.7 million views, and another one that has like 500,000 or 700,000 views. But guess how many followers I have? 700 followers. You know why? Because that one video that trended, I didn't put more videos like that. The only other time that I posted another video like it went viral again. Do you catch the drift? So when people come to your page, you have a viral moment, people come to your page and they're seeing that, okay, they check your other page, because I do it. I'll go to your profile, check your other videos to see if it's interesting to me. And if it's not interesting, I'll leave, because this is what brought me here. And what brought me there, I'll be interested in the same type of content. And if I'm not finding it there, I'm not going to follow you. I'll just go. And that's what happened to that page. I don't post much on there, and so It's been at 700 followers for the longest time, and I will insert that page on here for you to see, and also put the viral the one that has a lot of following on here for you to see. You'll see that one I post a lot more on there, and the other I do not post a lot more on there. One of them, the one that went viral, that page became a page for my daughter and I, and so that's where we post our content. And the other one is just me. I'm still not consistent, and so yeah, I'm the one that control that page. I'm the one that film, edit, and post. So maybe you'll be saying, oh, because your daughter is helping you. No, I'm the one that come up with, let me film this. This is funny. Let me film it. And so maybe you're the funny one, right? Maybe you're the funny one. So post something. You might be saying, oh, I'm not funny. I don't have any talent. You do. You have it in you. You have what it takes to film and post. And so do it. Those videos in your draft, put it out. Put those videos out and go viral. And one thing you can also do, use that viral moment or the following that you've built on TikTok. As I said, is the easiest place to build a following. Am I ashy? No. Use that page to redirect followers to, maybe YouTube is your dream, your dream job. Use that to redirect followers to your dream page, and you can be making a killing because YouTube pays, right? So do it, and maybe that's gonna retire you. You're gonna quit your daytime job, right? Because right now everyone is trying to live their dream life, become an influencer. Yes, it's a dream life to be an influencer. I'm not living the dream life through influencing yet. I want to get there one day. You're getting paid to exist. I'm going to be an influencer. You know what I mean? And so, yeah, do it. Do it. Don't procrastinate. It's one of the worst things you can do for yourself. So I'll reiterate what I just said. Post, first of all, post. Because no content, no viral. If you're not posting the content, how are you going to go viral? They'll come to your house and drag you to make you go viral. It's not going to work out. No one knows you. Beyonce's page, if Beyonce created a TikTok page right now without posting one video, the fact that we know it's Beyonce's page, it will already have over 1 million followers. That's not you, boo-boo. That's not you yet. So yeah, I know it's sad, right? So post. We don't know you. Post so that we'll get to know you. And maybe very soon when we mention your name, we'll be like, oh, I know her. You know what I'm saying? So do it and put your name out there. Consistency. Post as much as you can post. Any little chance you get. There's no such thing as you're bombarding people on TikTok. No, it doesn't. TikTok is not like that. Post. Even if it's 10 videos you want to post it. You'll get people to watch it. And out of that 10 videos, one will trend. Maybe all the other 9 will not, but that one that will trend will bring the people back to the other ones that did not trend. And that's how it works. So post and make good quality content. Whatever you go viral on, keep posting on that. Don't stop. Create content around it. The only time you can do random content is when you become viral and you have a lot of following. At that time you can play around a bit because really you have the following, and so it's a diverse following, so you can get away with posting what you want. Really, you can even rebrand and you'll still have people that will stay. So yeah, that's TikTok for you. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. If you did like it, leave a comment below. Let me know how your TikTok journey is going and what you are going to take away from this video to help you with your TikTok journey. Engage on this video. Thank you, so that it can go far and I can be bringing you more videos like this. Yeah, thank you for watching. Leave me a comment, a thumbs up, subscribe, all of that. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.